Hi students of class 1. Today we will revise the question answer of chapter 2. So I think everyone has finished writing the question answer in the computer CW copy. So we will do the class from the computer CW copy today. Okay, get ready with the copy. Now, those who have still not finished writing the CW copy work, I will request them, please finish your work as soon as possible and send it at dphjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. Okay, so let's start today's class. How many question answers we have done in this chapter? We have done 5 question answers. Let's start the revision. Okay, the first question that we have done is, what are the things we can do using a computer? We can do many things using a computer, but I told you to learn any 5 of them. I am repeating all the answers to you. Okay, and you will learn any 5 from them, and along with the spelling you will learn them. So what are the things we can do using a computer? We can play games, writing, solve sums, draw picture, research, listening to music, watching movies, for booking tickets, for launching and controlling satellites. These are all the things that we can do using a computer. From here you have to learn the 5 things, and along with the spellings you have to learn them. So I am repeating the answer once again. Play games, writing, solve sums, drawing, research, listening to music, watching movies, for booking tickets, then launching and controlling of satellite. Okay, next, name the places where we can use computer. Where are the places we can use computer? School, home, airport, railway stations, bank, library, office, malls and shops, hospitals. These are the places where we can use computer. So what are the places? School, home, airport, railway station, bank, library, office, malls and shops, and hospitals. Okay, next, what is typing? Writing on a computer is called typing. Writing on a computer is called typing. Name the Now, name the device used to draw pictures on the computer. Answer is mouse. Using the mouse, we can draw pictures on the computer. Name the games that were first made in the US. The 2 games, Asteroid and Lunar Lander. Asteroid, ASTEROIDS, asteroids, and Lunar, 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 lander, LANDER, lander. So once again I am repeating the last 3 questions. What is typing? Writing on the computer is called typing. Name the device used to draw pictures on the computer. Mouse, MOUSE, mouse. Name the games that were first made in the US. Asteroids, 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 and Lunar Lander, LUNAR, lunar, lander, LANDER, lander. These are the 5 question answers we have done in chapter 2. So, going through the video, please learn the question answers of chapter 2 and read the chapter along with the let's recap of page number 19, everyone. Okay, so stay at home, please do your work, learn the question answers. Those who have not finished writing, they should finish the writing very fast and send it to me for correction. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So stay healthy, stay at home, study well, finish all your work on time. Bye bye.